everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. It's Chandni from Super School, and today I'm back with another video from my vocabulary series, and I'm going to discuss 3 new words which are adjectives. And I bet these words will help you to express yourself better in English by replacing all the common or overly used words that you generally tend to use all the time. So overuse of a particular adjective or any particular type of word is a common problem with the people who are learning English language, who are trying to develop their language skill. Now, if you want to improve all 4 aspects of your English language learning, which is reading, speaking, listening, writing, then words are vital to learn. If you learn words properly and if you learn actually how to use these words while making sentence, then it's going to make a lot larger impact on your language learning. Okay, so let's begin with the words discussion. The first word is comparable. Now, comparable means able to be compared. It's an adjective, and let's see how we can use it in a sentence. This novel is comparable to Huckleberry Finn. Now, in this sentence, the main verb is, and comparable is an adjective which has been placed after is to describe the noun, the novel, the subject. Yes. So now let's see what is the second word. The second word is competent. Competent or competent is a word which is an adjective, and it means sufficiently qualified. So to judge anyone's quality or to describe anyone or anything that has enough or sufficient quality, you can use this word. So let's see an example. We need to hire a competent web developer to create a good website for our company. So here, the competent word has been used to describe or modify web developer, and it has been placed before web developer, before the noun. So it's a common myth that adjective must be used before noun. So it's a myth and it's not true. Like the first example that you have seen earlier, few moments ago, I have used the adjective after the verb, but it is expressing or it is talking about the subject, which is or which was placed at the beginning of the sentence, right? So you have to understand the meaning, the type, and also how to place it in a sentence. Now let's move on to the third one. Complacent. Complacent is an adjective which means satisfied with no desire to change or improve. So you can describe anyone or any situation, any state of being using this word complacent. Now let's see an example. Though he had never won any awards or even been published, he was complacent with his life as a poet. So as a poet, he was satisfied with his life. He was fulfilled. He did not have any desire to improve, although he did not receive any external recognition or any exposure. So, which is kind of unlikely. But yeah, so in this kind of sentence or anything or anyone or any situation, any state of being can be described by using adjectives. So please let me know if you're liking my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family so that they can learn more words as well. Now you can contact me through my Facebook page Super School, and I will be offering a lot of new varieties. Yes, varieties of services I'm going to offer really soon. So keep an eye on my page and follow my page, and you can pick out the best service that suits you. So that's about it. Thank you so much. Thank you for being patient and listening to me.